Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I just got my 18 by 24 inch canvases yesterday and I want to use them, even if it's just to start. And I want to put my light colors down first, which in this case is triple sec. I think I probably should have checked the tip to see if it was clogged or not. I've got some what looks to be fluorescent green, Sour Apple. I'm not even sure which kind that is, but I'll figure it out and put it in the description below the video. Just want to color up my canvas. This is Cyan Aqua. This is Tuscan Sun. I'm going to use a little bit of the Gone Bananas that has some orange in it that I call Tangerine. And I like to put a little bit of gold. With those colors. And it occurs to me I didn't use any of this Sea Monster, and I like it. I'm bound to use some purple, but I'm not sure when. Sea Monster is joined by Sea Glass, I think. Which I might use some Red Violet or some Whispering Wisteria. Let's try the Whispering Wisteria. I think I'm almost out of Red Violet. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of Dancing Fuchsia. And then I'm just going to spread some paint. Some of this Dazzling White. Just because I can. Oxo Omelet Turning Flip and Fold Spatula. So I'll try and move it. We're just coloring a background, as far as we know, right now. That's it. I want that color to go right there, and then I'm going to wipe off my spatula. And I might bring in some orange. I'm thinking Orange Crush. Hopefully it's open. And I'm going to add a little bit more Dancing Fuchsia. Okay, I'm going to add a lot more Dancing Fuchsia. That just reminded me how much I happen to like Rhapsody Rose, which is hanging right on close by. Oh, I just had to poke it. Covering a fair amount of ground so far, which is pretty cool. I'm thinking wintergreen, I don't know why. I had another green color the other day, I can't remember what it was called, and I really liked it. I think it must be time for some frozen amethyst. And that's making me feel like grabbing some blue. In this case, it's going to be a combination of Oriental blue, which obviously has something in its top, and I like this agave blue. I don't use it enough. So I guess I'm going to try and use it more. I want this beautiful color off of here. I think it must be time to wipe off my spatula. Either that or grab a new one. I still want some green. Might have to be Fandango. I love the Fandango with all kinds of turquoisey blues. I don't know how I'm going to get past that corner down here with this beautiful color on it, but I'm going to try. Hopefully you can see something I'm doing. Now I have to decide what colors, if any, I want to put over the top. Kind of feel like it should be some dark colors now. I want some cerulean blue. I'm definitely thinking either deep amethyst. Let's just go with the deep amethyst. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I'm never shy about using residuals to change up the colors of what's here. In this case, wipe off my spatula at the same time. I'm still thinking right now that I didn't use any of the Rhapsody Rose, and I'm hoping that it's opened. I'm wondering if it's time to clean off my spatula. I always wonder that. I like that. I have to think I might want to steal some. I just keep getting myself in deeper and deeper there. I gotta get that paint off my spatula. Which means I have to decide where to put it. So far so good, I guess. I want something up here. I'm thinking Whispering Wisteria. Still want some blue. Maybe it's time to pull out the blue velvet. Now, do I want to shake things up and add some more colors? Or scrape through? Still contemplating maybe some black. Thinking more of Whispering Wisteria. Could also use some pink. Now, question is, do I want to use something like a toothy tool? Once I start, I don't usually want to stop. And I love this particular Wilton cake decorating tool. My little baby spatula heads. think that's just begging for a half round. I really like using up my residuals. I've got almost no time left. But it's a pretty good start. And maybe more. Outside of that one thing in the middle, I think I'm almost to a place I like. Hopefully that was not a mistake. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.